Sit comfortably. Hands on thighs, closing your eyes. Sit straight, back straight. Shoulder blades rolled back. Just center yourself away from all the chaos, noises, voices, thoughts. Just being here. Let's chant one round of Om to begin the session. Hands to heart center, Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep breath in, inhale. Rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Open your eyes to your palm. Look up. Namaste. On your palms and knees. Inhaling, arch your back, head up, chest up. Exhaling, round your back, chin to chin. Inhaling, arch. Exhaling, round. Inhaling, arch. Exhaling, round your back. Inhaling, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Tuck your toes, inhale here. Exhaling, knees off the floor, hip to ceiling, adho. Gazing ahead, inhale, walk your feet forward. Exhale here. Keep your feet around hip distance apart. Now, bend your left knee, straighten your right knee, inhale here. Exhaling, raise your right arm up to the ceiling. Breathe. Inhaling, center. Straighten your left knee, bend your right knee, raise your left arm up. Inhaling, center. Exhale, fold forward. Feel free to bend your knees. You are just warming up now. Slowly raise up, inhale. Very slowly, starting from your lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder, head at last, standing in Samastiti. Big toes touch each other, kneecap lifted up, navel tucked in. Shoulder blades rolled back, chin slightly tucked in. Inhaling, Urdhva Hasta, raise your arms up. Exhaling, bend your elbows, push your chest forward. Inhaling, arms up again. Exhaling, twist your body to the right hand back, left arm forward. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left. Inhaling up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up again. Exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees, inhale, Slide your hands. Utkatasana. Exhale. Swing your arms back. Navel on thigh. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, last one. Exhale, hold and breathe. If you're up for it, raise your heels up. Bend your knee more. Gazing ahead. Breathing goes on. Heels down on the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward from your hips. Feel free to bend your knees, head down. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Exhale, palms down, leg back. Lie down on your belly. Prepare. Once you're ready, keep your arms shoulder level. Feet mat distance apart. Inhale, pick everything up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, hold, breathe. Exhaling all the way down. Palms beside your chest. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Breathe in and breathe out. Prepare. Inhale, raise your heels up, slide your body forward. Dandasana, stacking your shoulder on your wrist. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, Dandasana. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, Dandasana. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, Dandasana. Exhaling, Adho. Inhale, Dandasana. Hold this time for 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Prepare. Inhaling, Dandasana. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale, right knee, right wrist. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale, left elbow. Exhale, right foot up to the ceiling. Breathe. Bend your knees. Open your chest. Exhaling, right foot forward between your palms. Take your arms back, navel on thigh. Hold here. Breathe. Coming back on the mat, inhale. Exhale, palm down, leg back, Adho Mukha. Moving to the left side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale, left wrist. Exhale, right wrist. Inhale, right elbow. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale, leg up. Bend your knee. Open your chest. Exhale, left foot forward. Prepare, power up your core. Arms set back. navel on thigh, breathing goes on. It's an excellent series, flow for the people who don't have much time but want to get maximum out of it. Power and strength combined. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, right foot outside of right palm. Inhale, sink your hip down. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot outside. Inhale, sink down. Exhale, back. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, outside. Inhale, sink down. Exhale, back. Inhale, left. Exhale, out. Inhale, down. Exhale, back. Inhale, right. Exhale, out. Inhale, down. Exhale, back. Inhale, left. Exhale, out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot out. Inhale, sink down. Back knee down. Curl your back toes. Turn your right foot to 45 degree. Inhale deeply. Exhale, raise your right arm up. Bend your back knee. Open up. Hold your foot if you can, or else just staying here by lifting your back leg. Bending your back knee. Open your chest. Breathing goes on. Inhaling, release, palm down, foot down. Exhale, leg back. Adho Mukha. Inhaling, left leg up. Exhale, left foot outside. Inhale, sink your hip down, back knee down, curl your back toes, left foot down 45 degree. Open up, bend your back knee, hold or just stay there. Anything is fine. Breathe. Inhale, release your spine, palm down. Exhaling, leg back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your knees down on the mat. Prepare. Inhale, knees just off the floor. Prepare. Next inhalation. Inhale, turn to the left side. See if you can raise your left foot, extend. Take your right elbow back. Exhale, palm down. Inhale here. Exhale to the left. Right leg extended. Inhale. Exhale, extend your left leg. Inhale. Extend your right. Inhale. Extend your left. Inhale. Extend your right. Inhale. Extend your left. Inhale. Extend your right. Inhale here. Hold. Knees just off the floor. We are looking for edge. We are looking for power. But being able to breathe, even when we are moving rigorously, doesn't matter what situation we are in, doesn't matter what posture we are in. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lengthen your inhalation. Lengthen your exhalation. Walk your feet forward, inhaling. Bring your feet between your hands. Keep your feet more than hip distance. Toes outside, heels inside, squat down, Malasana. Prepare. Press your feet to the mat. Inhale. Lift up. Open your chest. Open your arms. Exhale. All the way down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold here. Stabilize yourself. Lengthen your inhalation. Lengthen your exhalation. I'm not doing any standing postures or still postures in this flow. Palms down, inhale here. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling, Dandasana. Exhaling, heels to the left. Raise your right arm. You can choose to stay here and find your balance, or take your right hand behind your head. Right leg extended and up. Inhale here. Exhale, elbow to knee. Same thing you can do with your knee bent, knee on the floor. Inhale here. Exhale, elbow to knee. Or extending your knees. Inhale here. Exhale. Give me two more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhaling all the way down on the mat. To the other side now. Dandasana. Inhale here. Exhale, heels to the right. Raise your right arm. Variation. Knee down or else knee off the floor. Arm over your ear. Raise your left leg off the floor. Inhale. Hand behind your head. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Walk your feet towards your hands. Sit down. Extend. Extending your knees. Point your toes. Inhaling, arms up, go all the way back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhaling, hold here. Wherever you reach. For this one, do not push your back too much. You're pointing your toes. Let your back take any shape. It's okay. Just stay here. Slowing down. Calming your mind, calming your body. Inhaling, slowly raise up. Exhaling, release. Now, bend your right knee, right fingertips behind. Take a deep breath in, inhale, left arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, just hug your knee or bring your left elbow outside of right knee, gazing back. Hold here. Inhaling, center arms up. Exhale, release, other side. Extend your right leg, bend your left knee. Left fingertips behind. Inhale, right arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, right elbow outside of left knee. Open your chest. Breathe. Inhaling, center arms up. Exhaling, release, lie down on your back. Keeping your feet hip distance apart, knees hip distance apart, arms beside your body. Inhaling, raise your hip up. Exhaling all the way down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Hold. You can cup your hip with your palm. Keep your feet parallel to each other. Knees parallel to each other. Hold here and breathe. Exhaling all the way down. Bend your knees to the ground. Raise your feet. Hold your big toes. Open your knees wide. Happy baby posture. Dangle here. To the ground. Stay to the ground. Right knee. Right knee. To the left. Release. Slide your palms under your buttocks. Lift your leg up 90 degrees. Prepare. Inhaling, drop your legs just off the floor. Do not touch the floor as much as you can. Inhale, raise up. Exhale. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 4 more times. Continue. 3. 2. 1. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Drop your legs 45 degrees from the mat or floor. 3, 2, 1. Drop your leg just off the floor. 3, 2. Almost done. Feeling in the core. 1. Exhale, release and relax. Keeping your arms over your head. Keeping your feet mat distance apart. Bending your knees. Just crisscross your knees to right and left on your own. Observing the sensations in the body, sense of comfort or discomfort. Extend your legs, Shavasana, keeping your feet mat distance apart, leave enough space for armpits, palm facing ceiling. Fingers can be slightly curved, chin slightly tucked in. Close your eyes, lying down in silence. Prepare to come out of Shavasana. Move your fingers, toes, neck side to side. Keeping your feet together, interlock your fingers over your head. Inhaling, give yourself a nice stretch. Exhaling. Left hand on navel, left leg bent on towards your right side. Whenever you are ready, sit up straight in any comfortable posture. Take a moment and observe this power practice. It doesn't matter how much you were able to do. What matters is you showed up on the mat. And set your mind to show up, whether on the mat or in life. Just being there matters. Keeping this in mind, let's end the session with one round of Om chanting, hands to heart center. Inhale deeply. Rub your palms together. Create enough heat. Place them on your eyes, cheeks, neck, at your heart center. Open your eyes to your palms. Look up. Namaste. Thank you so much for being part of this practice. Until next time, take care. Namaste.